guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a skincare update about a product that I've been using for around 3 months now, and I've seen a major difference in my skin using this product. So I have to share this with you guys. This is the revolutionary product that I'm talking about. This is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. Now, you may have seen my previous video about this when I just started using this. I tried this out for around 2 weeks and I was super impressed with this, but right now you can see I've almost finished half of this product and I've been enjoying it so much. This is like the best addition to my skincare routine. I love how easy to use this is. This is like super lightweight and the texture is just like water. You don't even like feel any heaviness or greasiness on your skin. And the formula is super unique. It penetrates 10 layers deep into your skin, and honestly I can see a glowing difference in my skin whenever I use it. It just makes my skin look super smooth and super glowy. Also, is this not super luxurious? It looks super nice sitting on the vanity as well because the bottle is so chic. I really like this size as well because if I like something, I want the biggest size in it. Please remember, like I always say, skincare is a journey. It's not a destination. It is something that you have to do every single day in order to be able to see the results from products that you're using. So I personally like to use this at least once a day. If you can use it twice a day, great. Sometimes I do use it twice a day, but mostly I'll use it once a day, especially at night time, because I absolutely love the feeling of pampering myself at night before I go to bed. So if you're using it in the morning, you want to do it before you put your sunscreen but after you cleanse your skin, and at night again you want to do it after you cleanse your skin but before you put your moisturizer on. I love how this product is so versatile. You can use it if you have any skin type and whatever weather condition you live in. This is going to be nice for you. If you live in a dry climate, this is going to hydrate your skin, and if you live in a hot humid climate, this is going to feel super refreshing. If you are on an anti-aging journey, this is going to be so good for you because it helps with fine lines and wrinkles and it deeply repairs your skin. I'm going to show you a quick application process. All you need to do is get a little bit of it on your hands. You don't need a cotton pad or anything. You just want to take 3 to 4 drops of this in your palms and tap it on your face. You can also use a combination of rubbing and tapping. I personally just like to tap my products in. And that's it. You can see the skin is looking super glowy, and there used to be a pimple mark on my right cheek and it didn't go for a long time, you guys. I was struggling with that scar, but this product is what helped lighten my scars. So you guys are always asking me what I do to lighten my scars. This is definitely one of my star products. Okay, so I want to know if you guys have tried this product, and if you have, please let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. If you love it as well, we can be twinsies. It does come in 3 different sizes. So you get 22 ml for 250 rupees, 65 ml for 799 rupees, and this bottle right here, 130 ml for 1299 rupees. So if you're skeptical about trying this out and getting the biggest bottle, you can definitely get the small size, get the feel of the product, see how it's working for you, and try it out for at least 2 to 3 weeks. And then you'll know whether you want to get the full size or not. So I absolutely love how it comes in 3 different sizes. I actually have the little bottle, the smaller bottle as well, the 22 ml one. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you about this product. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below and I'll try to answer as many as I can. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love sharing my skincare secrets with you. You are always asking me what products I use. This is a constant, and this has definitely found a permanent place in my skincare routine. So yeah, I hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, please take a moment to hit the little red subscribe button down there. You can also click the bell so you're notified of my future videos and you don't miss out on any of them. And I also post a lot on Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram already, you're missing out, you guys. Definitely check my Instagram out for more updates from me and more little tidbits. I love you so much. I'm going to see you super soon in my next one. Bye bye.